Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's install is with Myfirstwig. This is a few of the goodies that you get in the box. You get a few clips, you get some combs, you get a headband. This is the wig I'm going to be styling today. It is a Yaki straight wig. It's a lace frontal wig. This is the construction of the wig. You have a really nice parting space, a few combs so you can wear it glueless. I'm actually going to be showing you how I wore this wig completely glueless with absolutely no adhesive whatsoever, no lace glue, no sprays, no nothing. So I'm going to put the wig on my head just to see how it looks. And to start off, I'm going to start by cutting the ear tabs off. So I just put the hair away just to get it away from my face, and then I cut the ear tabs off using my scissors.
Classic shit.
Once that's done, the wig is fitting really snug, so I'm going to take off the clip and I'm going to begin to cut the lace. I'm starting off by cutting the lace from the middle and using a razor comb to cut off the excess lace on the side. Once that is done, I'm going to start styling the wig. This wig is very easy and quick and simple to put on. I'm starting off using my foundation stick. This is the Black Up foundation stick in the shade Ebony Brown. I'm just going to put it all over the lace just so it matches really well with my skin tone. Once that's done, I'm going to take my bedhead spray and I'm just going to use this just to help the flyaways stay down and just to keep the frontal part of the wig tame. I'm going to comb that in and I'm going to get my hot comb to press down those flyaways so that they don't disturb the wig and the wig looks really neat. Once that's done, I'm going to take my argan oil. I'm going to put that on the parting as well just to get it really shiny and to make sure it looks really sleek. After that, I'm going to start styling. I'm using my Dyson straighteners to style. I'm starting with the back and I'm just giving the hair a quick straighten, nothing too fancy. Because this is Yaki straight, the hair does stay quite straight for a while, so I love that about the Yaki texture. So this is what half of the hair looks like once half of it is done. Super shiny and sleek. I'm just gonna go to do the other side just to make sure that's really straight as well.
Classic shit.
And I'm gonna get my razor comb and I'm just gonna add some layers to the front just so it looks more it has a lot more body and texture, and it just gives me a kind of like 90s look. Once that's done, I'm going to give the hair a quick bump, and that is pretty much it, guys. That's how I installed this hair, completely glueless, so quick and easy, and you can definitely achieve this style at home by yourself. If you like what you see here, I'm going to leave the link to this exact wig down below. Make sure you click on show more. I'm just showing you guys that this is completely glueless, literally nothing on the lace. Here is the back of the hair, so much body, and it's just super flowy and moves, which is what I like. Make sure you click on show more for the exact link to this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you soon. Bye guys.